In this video, we're going to go over how to use the reminder function in assignments to remind your students to complete and submit their assignments in their class. To begin, you're going to want to select an activity or an assignment to remind students on. So that can be accessed via the Assignments tab in the user menu here. So here we can sort by class to see all of the given assignments for that class. So as you can see here, we have an assignment that has 2 days left for students to submit, as we've set the given deadline on that activity. We also set the late submissions not allowed for that activity, so students need to submit prior to that deadline to be able to submit their work. So let's take a look at who submitted the assignment by clicking the View Submissions button. Here we can see that one student submitted the assignment. This class has 2 students, so we know that the other student did not submit their assignment, and we can see that by clicking on the Pending tab. Here I can see the other student who has not submitted their assignment. So to send them a little reminder, I'm simply going to check their name and then add a little reminder text. And this is just another way to let your students know that there's a pending deadline for that assignment. They'll also be able to see that this assignment is coming closer as it relates to the due date that I've set as the teacher, but this is just an easy way to further communicate with your student that that assignment is coming up. So after you've added the reminder text, you can simply click Send Reminder to send that to the student's account, and they will receive that via their notifications in their account in Educate. Be sure to check out our other tutorials on how to communicate with your students within the platform and other tutorials on how to use Educate.